A Nova Scotia man who spent nearly 17 years in prison for murder is tonight a free man. Now, after a long legal fight, his conviction was quashed, and today the Crown decided not to proceed with a retrial. But his freedom comes with serious concerns about how the justice system handled his case. CBC's Blair Rhodes has the story.
Overwhelmed big time. I proved my innocence here today.
Glen Assoun outside the courtroom, moments after the murder charge that has hung over him for 24 years had been dismissed. Brenda Way was stabbed to death in North End, Dartmouth in 1995. She and Assoun had been a couple. He was convicted of second-degree murder in Way's death and sentenced to life. After losing appeals, he turned to the lawyers at Innocence Canada. They persuaded the federal justice minister to take another look at Assoun's case, alleging a miscarriage of justice.
The worst non-disclosure, the egregious non-disclosure, was actually during the appellate process in the early 2000s. And I think again and again how if the police had conducted themselves properly with the information available to them in 2003 to 2006, Mr. Assoun very likely would have succeeded on his appeal.
Assoun says he never gave up hope, but he's angry that evidence may have been withheld that could have got him acquitted a lot sooner.
I have a lot of anger too, but today's not a day for anger. Today's a day for joyfulness, and happiness and rejoicing in justice. Finally, I finally received justice and proved my innocence.
His lawyer says this shouldn't be the end of it.
The misconduct lies at the feet of the police, and it should be inquired into. There is, as I said in court, an acute public interest in uncovering what happened there.
Anytime there's a conclusion that evidence has been withheld for any reason that's relevant to a person's trial rights and liberty is always a reason for concern. And that's the conclusion of the minister based on the information before him.
That report from CBC's Blair Rhodes in Halifax.